My German matter this evening is for the Minister for the Environment, and the action I seek is to bring immediate reform to the Authority to Control Wildlife Licensing regime, known as the ATCW. My office recently received the 2020 ATCW data. It was astonishing to see the government that is bringing significant reform to animal welfare laws and holding an inquiry into biodiversity loss and ecosystem decline to also be licensing the destruction of vulnerable species. The common long-necked turtle, part of the world's most endangered vertebrate taxa, is now open for killing. These turtles are important to the health of the Murray-Darling Basin, yet 57 of them were allowed to be killed. Grey-headed flying foxes are native pollinators. Our environmental crisis is being exacerbated by the lack of pollinators. Flying foxes are listed as vulnerable at state, national and international level, yet our government issued authorities to kill well over 11,000 of them here in Victoria. The common wombat is not as common as it once was. In fact, it is now extinct in parts of my electorate. Wombats are ecosystem engineers, and the loss of their unique digging behaviours is linked to the decline of Australian ecosystems. Wombat habitat has been destroyed, mostly for agriculture, yet ATCWs were issued to kill almost 1,500 of them. The wedge-tailed eagle, who is Bunjil, the creator spirit for many First Nations cultures, 13 authorities to kill. The red wattlebird, 339. The welcome swallow is apparently not welcome here, 546 permits to kill. What on earth are we doing? It took one of my staff less than 3 minutes to find, download and complete an ATCW. This tick and flick approach to killing wildlife during a global environmental crisis, with Australia complicit in our journey towards a sixth mass extinction, is beyond belief. All she had to do was tick a box to say she had explored non-lethal methods of control. No actual proof was required. Box ticked, no questions asked. Do the lives of these animals truly matter to a government that professes to be progressive? My views on the lives of all non-human animals are no secret to this House, nor to the world at large, but I am a realist, and I know that to completely eliminate ATCWs is not something the government will entertain. So I ask the Minister for an alternative and to ensure a critical and detailed review of the Authority to Control Wildlife program. The lives of our wildlife are dismissed far too easily under the current system, and it must be significantly reformed.